Namaste, I'm Dr. Juhi Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Department of Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today's our topic is sources of drug. There are many sources of drugs, just classified as biological source, marine source, mineral source, plant tissue cultures. These are the different classified as a source of the drugs. So, a drug may be classified as intended to the use of diagnosis, preventive method, cure, mitigation, prevention, treatment of different diseases in animals or in man also, right? And intended to alter the body functions, the structure of the man and other animals. So I already told you what is the sources of and classify of the drug, like biological source contain higher plants, microbes, animals. Marine sources, minerals, plants, tissue culture. These are the classified as a source of drug. So biological source, firstly biological source, higher plants as a source of drug. Plants have been used in the treatment of various diseases from time immemorial. In memorials, the traditional Indian system of medicine, Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani system, all these systems are based on the use of plants, animals and natural substances, right? So there are 20,000 to 250,000 plants or species of flowering plants growing in earth, on the earth, which belongs to 10,500 generals, and other there are 300 families. The genera are the sources of different drugs and distinguish among the plants family. Like different families like Solanaceae, which contain in the Solanaceae family, like Dhatura, Belladonna, Hyoscyamus. These are the comes into the Solanaceae family, right? Then crucifery, mustard, all these comes into the crucifery family. Then Leguminaceae, the senna is comes under the Leguminaceae family. Labiatae, tulsi and pudina comes into the Labiatae. Then Rutaceae like lemon, citrus, all the citrus fruits comes into the Rutaceae. Rubiaceae, cinchona comes into the Rubiaceae. Umbelliferae, fennel, coriander, caraway, all these come into the Umbelliferae family. Apocynaceae, Rauwolfia, vinca comes into the Apocynaceae family. Liliaceae, example of Liliaceae family is Sclera, Scilla, Scilla. Graminae, wheat, rice, maize, starch, all comes into the Graminae family. Papaver, opium comes into the Papaver. Diascorea, Diascorea is comes into the Diascoraceae family. Then angiosperm, like what is the angiosperm? Angiosperm is flowering plants are known as angiosperm. They are useful source of glycosides, volatile oils and alkaloids. Just like example of these angiosperms like cinchona, belladonna, ipacuhana, right? These are the angiosperm or flowering plants, right? Next our topic is non-flowering plants. What is the non-flowering plants? They are source of oil, resins, alkaloids such as ephedra. All these are the non-flowering plants, and non-flowering plants are gymnosperms and flowering plants are angiosperms, right? Drugs contain entire plants or some plants are of it are often designed as a crude drugs. Generally only that the part of the plant which contain the maximum amount of HVA constituent is collected and marked, right? These are thus the crude drug may consist of seeds, fruits, leaves, flowers, roots, bark of stems or root. Many of the plant produce or product are important as a therapeutic agent like alkaloids, cardiac glycoside, anthraquinones, flavonoids, enzymes, all are the therapeutic agents. Plant product like steroid, spongenins is an important raw material for synthesis of steroidal hormone and related drugs. Different microbes are also as a source of animal source of drug, comes into the biological source of drug, right? So first, the microbes are microscopic organism. We all know that already. Microbes are the microscopic organism, which include virus, bacteria, rickettsia. These microorganisms are source of immunizing biologicals. Firstly, viral vaccine, smallpox, like a smallpox vaccine containing living virus of vaccinia cowpox, which has been grown in the skin of vaccinated bovine calf. It is it used as immunizing agent and prolactive agents against the smallpox infection as well, right? Then rabies vaccine is a sterile preparation of killed fixed virus of the rabies obtained from the duck embryo which have been infected with virus, fixed virus, rabies. It is available in dried form, right? So next, influenza virus vaccine. These are the microbes as a source of drug, which is comes from the microorganism. Influenza virus is a sterile aqueous solution of suitable inactivated influenza viruses. Then poliomycetes vaccine is also two types: vaccine inactivated and polio vaccine in the live oral. ठीक है, right? Later, the preparation of one or more combination of a strain of living and attenuated poliovirus. These are active immunizing agent poliovirus. Measles virus contain measles virus contain attenuated rubella and rubella virus. These viruses are grown on the culture of other birds embryo tissues, human diploid cell tissues, right? Yellow fever virus vaccine. Yellow fever vaccine is an attenuated strain of living yellow virus as well as selected high antigenic activity and safety. It is prepared by culturing the virus cells in the living embryo of the domestic fowl, right? And then hepatitis virus vaccine is also composed of the chemically inactivated hepatitis B surface antigen like HBsAg, right? Its small form. Particles obtained from the plasma healthy chronic hepatitis B surface antigen carries by the plasmapheresis separated from the infectious stain particle by the density gradient centrifugation and absorbed in the aluminum hydroxide. Then we comes on the viral. We have completed the viral vaccines. Comes on the rickettsial vaccines. Vaccines. These are the group of very small gram-negative microorganism intermediated in size between the average bacteria and the large rickettsia virus. Cannot grown in artificial media, but and like virus require embryo and animal monkey kidney tissue as well as their growth, right? Rickettsial vaccine is exemplified by one preparation, that is typhus vaccine produced in America. It is also used for the production of active immunity against the typhus fever. Okay, bacterial. Next come on the bacterial vaccine. We completed the viral vaccine, rickettsia vaccine, and comes forward to the bacterial vaccine. Bacterial vaccine like typhoid vaccine, it is a sterile suspension containing killed selected strain of typhoid, right? Then typhoid, bacilli, salmonella typhi, it is used for the production of immunizing agent for the typhoid fever. BCG vaccine is dried living culturing of the Bacillus calmette guerin strain of the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Okay, this vaccine is active immunizing agent against the TB. Okay, then come into the Whooping cough. Whooping cough is caused by the organism Bordetella Pertussis. Pertussis vaccine is also used as an immunizing agent against the diseases, against many diseases. The vaccine is a sterile suspension of killed pertussis of the strain or strain selected for the high antigenic efficiency. Plague vaccine. Next come to the plague vaccine. Plague vaccine, which is used to produce immunity against the diseases, is a sterile suspension of killed selected strain of plague, bacillus and Yersinia pertussis. Chlora vaccine is a sterile suspension of killed Chlora vibrio in saline or other suitable diluent. It is active immunizing agent for producing immunity against the cholera. Next comes to forward to the toxoids. We have completed the viral vaccine, rickettsia vaccine, bacterial vaccines. Then come forward to the toxoids. Toxoids are the tetanus toxoids and diphtheria toxoids. Come towards the animal source of animal as a source of drug. Certain animal part of the certain animal part or plant product. Oh, sorry. Animal products are used as a drug in therapeutics or therapeutic management of many diseases. The major group of animal produce the medicine is like hormones, enzymes, animals, extractive organs, bile acid, etc. as well as like hormones like thyroid. Firstly, thyroid, insulin, vasopressin, oxytocin. All these are hormones which is obtained from the animal as a source of the drug. Firstly, hormones like thyroid. Thyroid, it is modified pigmentation. It is modified preparation of the thyroid gland of from the sheep and pigs. Right? It is given orally to treat the patient suffering from the thyroid insufficiency. It contains hormones thyroxine and liothyroxine. Okay. Next come into the conjugated estrogen are the amorphous preparation containing water soluble conjugated form or mixed estrogen obtained from the urine of pregnant mares. Okay. Then comes to the insulin. Insulin is polypeptide hormone secreted from the beta cell of the islet Langerhans, situated in the pancreas of the all the vertebrates. Next, come forward to the gonadotropin hormones. Gonadotropin hormones is an mucoid hormone secreted by the interior lobe of the pituitary gland. These hormones are prepared commercially from either horse serum or from the urine of the pregnant women. Vasopressin is also a peptide hormone contained from the posterior lobe of pituitary hormonal gland of healthy pig and other cattle. It is used in the treatment of intestinal paralysis. Okay. Oxytocin, come to forward to the oxytocin. Oxytocin is a polypeptide hormone secreted by posterior pituitary gland. It causes contraction of uterine muscles, also stimulates the ejection of the milk in lactating mother as well. It can also can be prepared by synthesizing. Oxytocin is used to induce labor in the term of pregnant women or stop hemorrhage after the childbirth. And last is epinephrine. Epinephrine is a hormone produced the adrenal medulla in man. It is found in other animals also. Because of its simple structure as well. All the epinephrine medicines are used in the medicine today and is prepared by the synthetic means as well as means all the epinephrines can be prepared synthetically also. So these are the hormones which is obtained from the animals, act as a source of drug. Different drug can be obtained from the animals. And firstly, we have completed the hormones, different type of hormone like insulin, oxytocin, epinephrine, etc. Thank you. Namaste. If you have any doubt, please comment.